What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 5150 Greenville Garage, and today we're going to do a quick video on how to fix, I guess, a sink or a dishwasher that overflows and gets all over the place. And what I'm talking about is this right here. So whenever I run the dishwasher, it backs up and pours water all out over the counters, everywhere else. And what it is this is a vent, and there is a tube that goes down and allows the water to drain properly. I'm sure it's plugged up. So if you want to come under the sink, right down here, that hose comes off the garbage disposal right here. And it comes, let's see if we can see it, right up here. So if this gets plugged up from a lot of junk from inside your garbage disposal, it's not going to vent correctly and it's not going to drain all the water like it's supposed to from the dishwasher, which is this clear line that runs all the way up, and it just backflows. So anyways, I'm gonna get me a bucket and a flathead screwdriver. We're gonna come under here, just in case we got some water drainage. Let's go ahead, we're gonna take this, and I'm using a short flathead just to get up onto that other one. And here, as you can see, this is why I got the bucket. And I don't know, can't really see in there, but it is nasty and it's got junk in there, so of course it can't drain correctly. And for this next one, there is a clamp up there towards the top I'm gonna have to get, and let's go ahead and cut when I get it. So here we are looking up top. This is the clamp I'm talking about. I just loosened it so we can pull it down. Now we can pull this hose off. So I got the hose out. I'm gonna take it out back, flush it out, and try to clean all this stuff out and see if that helps. Alright guys, so I got my garden hose and we're gonna stick it on one end here and see if we can flush her out. Alright, so we got the hose all cleared out. I don't want to show you because it's kind of gross, but a big old clump of food came out of that hose, which cleared it right out. So now we can go ahead and reinstall it. Alright, so reinstalling it is super simple. Basically, stick your hose back up, clamp it down, and then I'm going to run the dishwasher and see if that fixed it. Alright guys, so it is all finished up. We got our hose all plugged back in. And just a tip for everybody, all you people who use your garbage disposal as basically a food grinder, I don't know, but you throw all that food in there, and basically you just probably need to scrape your plate clean as you can before you just start stuffing this thing, because that food will get back into here and plug this up. And your dishwasher, this is the drain hose for it, and you can see it goes up into a Y up here. Right up here there's a Y, and when it drains it comes back down to this black hose and into here and out your pipe. But if this hose right here is plugged up, that water is going to get right backed up right up to there, which is right here, and it's just going to overflow, spill everywhere, and that's no good. Alright guys, so we had the dishwasher going. Last time I ran it, there was water all over the counters, all over the floor. And right now it is full of water. I'm going to go ahead and hit the drain cycle here, and we're going to take a look and see if it worked. So let's check it out. As you can see, it is all draining. Last time, all that water you hear was just pouring out of the spout, running all over, going everywhere, and it just totally drained the dishwasher without spilling anything. So that was a quick fix, easy to do. just get under there, rip that hose off that goes to that little vent tube or whatever you get. And you know, anybody could do it. Just takes a little flathead screwdriver and a bucket and you're good to go. So don't let little house projects intimidate you. Hopefully this video helped. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you on the next video.